smell so bad? Who looks so flat? Stinky Dog and Flatty Cat. I'm the dog, you're the cat, two best friends on the street, and our life is really sweet.
Tonight is Halloween.
What's Halloween, Flatty Cat?
It's a holiday, Stinky Dog. You wear a costume, and when night falls, you knock on people's doors and ask for candy.
People give you candy?
Of course they do. It's Halloween.
I want to celebrate Halloween too.
Well, it's easy for you. You're already costumed.
Disguised as a dish rag.
Yes, great idea. I'm gonna be a nice, flowery dish rag.
You really got this. You do you, Stinky.
All right, are you done with your nonsense? Stinky Dog, a nice flowery dish rag isn't scary. For Halloween, what you need is a scary costume.
A scary costume? I'll get one.
I don't think so. Keep digging and good luck to you.
See you later, Stinky Dog.
I got it! Boo! So was that scary, Flatty Cat?
Not really, Stinky Dog.
Oh, shoot. I was scared just putting it on.
Oh, look, Stinky Dog. I found a costume for you.
You want me to go as a tablecloth from a restaurant? That's not scary, Flatty Cat.
Trust me, Stinky Dog. You'll be scary. There you go. You're perfect.
What am I then, Flatty Cat?
But you're a ghost, of course, and ghosts are scary. Ooh, ooh.
Oh, that's amazing! Ooh. Oh, thanks, Flatty Cat.
Okay, gotta go. My Uncle Anthony wants me to cut his hair to look like an ogre. All right, I'll see you tonight.
See you tonight, Flatty Cat.
I mean, zombies are way stronger because they don't feel anything.
Yeah, but vampires are more, better.
Hey there, guys! Look, I finally got my Halloween costume. Ooh.
Not bad.
Oh, but isn't Cinnamon with you?
Cinnamon! Yes. She just went that way, over there.
Yeah, way over there.
Oh, it got dark pretty quick. Hey, guys, guys!
You'll see, Marty. We're gonna make a fortune by selling all this expired sardine oil. Careful! Stinky Dog?
Stinky Dog, you okay?
Answer, Stinky Dog!
Do you think he's dead?
No, he gets away with everything. He's putting us on, right? Come on, that's enough. Ooh. It's not my fault, right? It wasn't my fault.
Stinky Dog, why?
What? Stinky Dog is... Oh, dear. No, this can't be real.
He was the best of us.
He was just a little stinky.
But that's why we loved him.
Stinky Dog, we shall give you a funeral worthy of a king.
Oh, shoot! I've lost my costume! Oh, Flatty Cat will never have time to make me another one. I have to get it back. I hope the guys won't be done trick-or-treating when I get back. I'd like to have some candy, too.
Why did you have to die? Why? You were my best friend. And now it's over.
Oh, poor Bernard. Oh, losing your best friend is horrible.
Huh? A ghost?
But Bernard? Why was he scared like that? I'm not wearing a costume anymore.
My friends, we are all gathered here to pay our last respects to our dear friend Stinky Dog.
Stinky Dog!
A better life awaits you. We are all so very, very proud to have known you, and you will be missed forever.
Yeah, why, you were like a brother to me, Stinky Dog, and now you're gone.
Without having told us your secret.
I'll never forget you, my dear friend. And I swear to you, I will take care of Cinnamon as if she was... I saw him! Oh, it was horrible, horrible! And he was right there in front of me. He was talking. I was never so scared in all of my life. What are you talking about? Who was talking to you? Stinky Dog! I mean, his ghost. Stinky Dog is back. He's back to get his revenge on all the people who weren't nice to him.
Do you really think this is the right time to joke around, Bernard?
Yes, he's right. Some people are feeling sad here.
Yes.
You're really heartless, aren't you?
But I'm telling you, he was there in glowing green light, and he was floating above the ground. Ah, it's Halloween, and he's back to get revenge. And there are people around here who should be worried. Stop looking at me like that. It was mostly Bulldog who was mean to Stinky Dog.
Mean? Me? What are you talking about? I was teasing him a bit, that's all. And it was nothing compared to what Bossy did to him.
What? Me? But I never did anything to Stinky Dog.
Maybe, but you always said a lot of things to him that weren't very nice.
Hey, guys!
What's wrong with all of you? Did you see a ghost? Stinky Dog, are you okay? You're all fluorescent.
I'm not okay at all, Flatty Cat. I'm dead and now it's my funeral. I liked you a lot, Stinky Dog.
What do you mean, Stinky Dog? What are you talking about? You can't be dead. You're talking to me.
Yeah, that's true. You're right, Flatty Cat. I'm not dead.
You frighten me a lot. Halloween is really scary.
Halloween? Oh, yes, that's right. We have to go trick-or-treating to get some candy. Come on, let's go.
Oh, wow. Even dead, he's more alive than some people.
Trick or treat!
Have mercy, please, no tricks. Here, take this bag of candy.
Oh, thank you.
And leave this place forever!
But, Bossy, it's just Stinky Dog.
Wow! Halloween is going really well so far. Okay, let's keep moving.
You always said Stinky Dog had a superpower. Was that actually it?
Oh, stop talking nonsense! He just died!
Ding dong! Trick or treat!
Whoa, the ghost!
Oh, bah. I don't even need my costume to look like a ghost to them. Halloween is really a lot of fun.
Stinky Dog, don't you understand? You really scare them.
Oh, no! They're just joking around. It's Halloween!
My. I feel this is all going to end badly.
Open up! It's us!
Open up! It's us!
Who is it? Hey, I wasn't supposed to let anyone in.
Bernard was right!
Stinky Dog, he's back to get his revenge!
On all of us!
What?
Hey, too late! He's here!
You cannot stop a ghost. They will walk through walls to get at us.
Knock, knock, knock. Trick or treat. Watch out, guys.
Well, I'll be. Nobody cares for our fluorescent paint. What's this? Marty, stop!
We're scary ghosts.
We're ghosts? Huh?
Ghosts.
We're dead!
More ghosts! Help!
We're all ghosts. I love Halloween.
Hey, good evening, Stinky Dog. Very funny, that ghost joke. That's a joke, right? You're not really a ghost.
Oh. No, Bernard. It was all a joke. Well, I did believe it for a while, but in the end, it wasn't true.
Ah, well, that's better. Because you see, it really bothered me to share my food with a ghost. But now, now it's all right again.
Happy Halloween, Stinky Dog.
Happy Halloween, guys.